Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Jordy, if you don't know me, and today I'm going to show you how I did my little galaxy Halloween look that I did for NYX. I'm not sure who originally did this look, so I'm not sure who to credit. I was just assigned this look by NYX. It's really cute. This is my take on it, and here's how you do it. I'm going to start with the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, and I'm going to go in with the number 16 brush. What I'm going to do first is grab this aqua shade, and I'm going to start by applying it to the high points of my face, since it is a light color, and I still want this to be flattering. I'm going to bring a little bit above my brow. Then I'm going to go into the lightest shade of purple, and I'm going to add little bits of purple just in various places around that blue. I'm not going to put super dark colors right under my eye because I don't want it to look like I just have a black eye. I'm going to blend them together slightly, but not too much because we don't want this to get super muddy. Next, I'm going to go into the brightest pink. And I'm going to put that kind of where I would apply blush. And since it's the darkest color, I'm going to put this in the area where I would contour, keeping the edges really blended. I'm also going to take that pink and I'm going to add it to my crease, so we can include kind of a fun eye look into the look. Put a little of that pink outer corner of my eye here. Maybe add a little pink here. I'm gonna go back in with that aqua color and I'm gonna put that on my lid and a little bit on the inner corner. And then you can add one of the NYX duochromatic highlights on top of that blue to give it some shine. Here's what we've got going on so far. You could leave it at this for just a fun, colorful eye look, but let's take it further. I'm gonna go in with the NYX White Liquid Liner, and I'm gonna start adding some little stars. I'm also going to draw on some bigger stars. Now I'm going to go in and connect some of the dots to make some little constellations. So now we've got this little cuteness. You could stop here and have just a cute little subtle space look, but I need more space. I'm going to go back in with the Ultimate Brights and the liquid liner, and I'm going to do the other side. Now we've got both sides of our eyes done, but I still think we could be a little bit more extra. Back into my brights using the same colors. I'm gonna bring it over my nose. Even that looks quite cute, but I think we need little galaxy freckles. Back in with the white liquid liner. Just adding little star freckles to my nose. If this is your look and this is where you want to stop, you can just add some lipstick. I'm going to use the NYX Liquid Suede in Tea and Cookies. And you could definitely go to a Halloween party now, but any excuse to use glitter is a good excuse in my books. I'm gonna use the NYX glitter in lumi-lite and the glitter primer. I'm going to add the glitter primer to the bigger stars and then pop the glitter on top. And then we've got some little twinkling stars. Wait, you think that I need more glitter? What a coincidence, I agree. I'm gonna add some of the glitter primer on top of Tea and Cookies. And with that same glitter, I'm gonna press it on top. Now I am a galaxy space babe and I'm ready for a Halloween party. Like really, I'm ready. Someone invite me. Thanks for watching, you guys.